our democracy is growing incrementally, and the leadership is being provided. And the All Progressive Congress, as a party, heavily led by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, we are very happy and excited that despite all the big areas here and there, that the president has remained focused, providing leadership, encouraging the growth of our democracy, and then speaking to people and creating an atmosphere that has allowed dialogue for our people to be able to air their views. So Ekiti people have spoken, and I'm confident that Nigerians will also speak by January national election, the presidential election. So what has happened here, I'm happy. We of the progressive governors, because of our progressive thinking and progressive ambition, we're happy that these things are being actualized gradually. So for me, I congratulate Governor Oyebanji, congratulate our president, the national leader, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. I also congratulate the leadership of our great party and encourage our members to continue to support President Bola Ahmed Tinubu.